Good morning, dear student. I am Professor Nikita Choksi. The subject is the solid fluid operation and the topic is the filtration. Now, in the last session, we have discussed the different types of the filtration equipments. We have already discussed the continuous pressure filters, discontinuous pressure filter, vacuum filters, and the centrifugal filters. Now in today's session we have to see how we can find out the cake resistance and the filter medium resistance. So first of all, now as you can see here, if we have any filtration, wait a minute. Okay. Now this is the filter medium. This is the thickness of the cake on the filter medium, and we want to find out the resistance offered by the filter medium and the cake. Now initial phase, when time t is equal to 0, or in the initial period of the time, this resistance is 1. And gradually as the cake formation takes place, as the thickness of the cake gets increased, this will also resist the flow of the slurry. So if we can write down this cake, we have to consider the two resistance in series. This is the cake resistance and second one, that is the filter medium resistance. And as I said, the filter medium resistance are important in the early stages of the filtration. And cake resistance, when time t is equal to 0, it's a 0, and it gradually increases as the filtration increases. So this we have to consider. Now if I want to write down the overall pressure drop, that is delta P, that is the overall pressure drop, that is PA minus PB. Now here you can see here, this is the difference, PA is here and that is PA minus PB. Now here I assume that the pressure is the P dash. So I can write down the PA minus PB is PA minus P dash and P dash minus PB. So this is the total pressure, or this is the pressure drop over the cake, and this is the pressure drop over the medium. So this pressure drop PA minus P dash, that is the pressure drop over the cake, and this P dash minus PB, that is the pressure drop over the medium. So in this way we can find out the overall pressure drop. Now here in the theory we have to find out this resistance, right? So these are all the different terminology that we are going to consider, and here we consider that this is my filter medium and I am considering the total thickness of the cake is the LC. From that I am taking only this small strip, that is of the DL. I consider the DL, which is at the length DL from the filter medium, right? So I am considering this DL small strip or the thickness of the cake for the gun, and then we will integrate the whole equation, right? So these are all the terminology. LC, that is the total thickness, area, that is the filter area perpendicular to the direction of the flow, DL, as I told you, element in cake of the DL, L is the distance of DL from the filter medium, pressure at the distance L from the medium, which we have written over here, velocity of the filter, mass of the cake deposited, and this is the porosity. And with this we are deriving the formula how to find out the cake resistance and the filter medium resistance. Thank you.